Hey, what's up? It's Philip from Easy Tutorials. Let me show you how to quickly export only part of the video in your Audacity. To do that, make sure that you have selection tool selected, or F1, and just select the part of the audio you want to export. Go to File, go to Export Audio, or use this Ctrl-Shift and E shortcut. And over here you can name this, for example, the name and add part or something like that. You can browse the folder where you want your audio to be saved. Just click browse and select the folder. You can choose the format, you can choose the audio options, and the important thing is over here that you don't select this entire but current selection, and just click export. And I already exported this before, so do you want to replace it? Yes, and it will export and replace your audio. And this is it. If you find this helpful, let me know in the comments below, and consider subscribing, dropping some likes and comments, and have a nice day. Bye bye.